Hello friends, today we see the De Morgan's first theorem. The statement is that the complement of sum is equal to the product of the complement. Means here we say that the complement of sum, it is shown by a plus b complement, and the is equal to the product of the complement. Product of the complement, it is given by a complement dot b complement. Now a plus b complement, it is nothing but our NOR gate. The NOR gate symbol, if we see that it is like this, this is our NOR gate symbol. Here we say that it is a, here we say that it is b, and the output is nothing but a plus b complement is equal to a complement dot b complement. Now a complement dot b complement b is nothing but our AND gate. Okay, and a complement, so if here we say that it is a, means here one NOT gate is there. B means here one NOT gate is there. So this is a complement, this is b complement. A चा कॉम्प्लिमेंट नॉट गेटमुळे a कॉम्प्लिमेंट होतो, b चा नॉट गेटमुळे b कॉम्प्लिमेंट होतो, आणि a आणि b आणि त्यांचा जर आपण या ठिकाणी अँड गेट वापरला असेल, यू विल गेट a complement dot b complement. So in this way, this is the logical symbol of the complement of sum. This is the logical symbol of product of complement. So in this way, now we prove that this right side and left side both are same or not. So for if we take the left side here, it is a is there, next b is there. Here we say that a plus b and a plus b complement. Similarly here we say that a, b, a complement, b complement, and their product a complement dot b complement. Now we check the left side and right side both are same, then we say that our theorem is okay, it is correct theorem, and the symbols are also correct. So the first case is 0 0. If both are 0, a plus b is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and complement of 0 is 1. Okay, next one 0 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, complement of 1 is 0. कॉम्प्लिमेंट म्हणजे अपोजिट, विरुद्ध. तर एक चा कॉम्प्लिमेंट 0 असेल, 0 चा कॉम्प्लिमेंट 1 असेल. नेक्स्ट वन 1 0, 1 plus 0 is again 1, complement of 1 is again 0. 1 plus 1 1 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, complement of 1 is 0. So in this way here we will get the truth table where a plus b complement is 1 0 0 0. Now towards the right side, here we say that a equal to 0, b equal to 0. So the complement is a चा कॉम्प्लिमेंट 1 असेल, b चा कॉम्प्लिमेंट 1 असेल. आत्ता सांगितल्या प्रकारे a चा अपोजिट 0 चा अपोजिट 1, b पुन्हा 0 आहे, 0 चा अपोजिट 1, आणि दोघांचा प्रोडक्ट a डॉट b कॉम्प्लिमेंट 1 into 1 it is 1. Next one 0 1, a is 0, therefore its complement is 1, b is 1, therefore its complement is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. We already seen the multiplication of binary numbers. So 1 into 0 is 0, or in our simple multiplication also we say that anything multiplies 0 is 0. Next one 1 0. So 1 complement is 0, 0 complement is 1, 0 into 1 it is 0. Next one 1 1. So here this is 1, this is 1, so this is 0 0, 0 into 0 is 0. So our left side 1 0 0 0, these are the outputs. Here also our right side 1 0 0 0, these are also both are equal or both are same. So we say that the left side and right side are same. So we say that the complement of sum is equal to the product of the complement. This is De Morgan's first theorem. This theorem is proved, and statement is like this: the complement of sum is equal to the product of the complement, and it is given by this equation: a plus b complement equal to a complement dot b complement. दिस इज इट्स सिम्बॉल कसं काढलंय a प्लस बी कॉम्प्लिमेंट म्हणजे सिंपल आपलं नॉर गेट आहे. इथं a कॉम्प्लिमेंट डॉट बी कॉम्प्लिमेंट डॉट आला म्हणजे तो नॅन्ड गेट असतो. ए कॉम्प्लिमेंटसाठी इथं नॉट गेट वापरलाय, एचा नॉट गेटच्या साहाय्याने ए कॉम्प्लिमेंट केलेला आहे, बीचा नॉट गेटच्या साहाय्याने बी कॉम्प्लिमेंट. Hello friends, now we see the De Morgan's second theorem. De Morgan's second theorem, we say that the complement of product is equal to the sum of the complement. Now what is complement of product? Complement of product means first we take product and its complement. This is complement of product is equal to the sum of the complement. This is complements and their sum of the complement. This is sum of the complements. Now in logical symbol, how we can express this? This is a plus b complement. It is nothing but our NAND gate. This is a complement, sorry, a plus b complement. Okay, and this is now again plus is there means nothing but it is OR gate. So this is our OR gate, but here a complement is there. If it is here a, then we should add one NOT gate here, so it will becomes a complement. If here b is there, again here we add one NOT gate, so this will become b complement, and a complement b complement, its addition. So here a complement plus b complement. So in this way, this is the sum of the complement, complementary sum, and here product of the complement, the complement of product means a dot b complement, and sum of complements means a complement plus b complement. Here also same, break the line and change the sign. Here if we break the line break केली की आपण साइन जी आहे ती साइन त्या ठिकाणी चेंज करतो. Here it is multiplication sign, here it is plus sign. Now again we can verify the left side and right side are same or not. If it is same, truth table is same, then our this theorem is also correct. So here a b a complement b complement and sorry, not necessary, here we say that ab a dot b and here a dot b complement. Okay, and this side here we say that a b a complement b complement and a complement plus b complement. Okay, now we verify it one by one, truth table. So first is 0 0, a is 0, b is 0, so their product is 0, complement of product is 1. Next one 0 1, again 0 1 is 0, so their product is complement is 1. Next one 1 0, again product is 0, their complement is 1. 1 1, 1 1 is 1 and their complement is 0. So this is our left side. If final answer, if we say that both inputs are 1, output is 1 and its complement is 0, so this complement is 0. Now Similarly, we can check the right side. Now here it is 0 0, first 0 0, so 0 0, this first step. A complement means opposite of 0 is 1, opposite of 0 is 1. Now addition, a plus a complement plus b complement, 1 plus 1 is 1. Next one 0 1, so this is 1, this is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. Next one, this is 1, this is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 means 0, 0 means 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Next, this is 1, this is 1, 1's complement is 0, 1's complement is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. So here also our left side and right side are same, and if left side and the right side are same, then by truth table we say that this theorem is verified. The complement of product is equal to the sum of the complement. The complement of product, it is shown by a plus b complement, and the sum of complement, it is shown by a complement plus b complement. In this way we can verify using truth table, using symbols, that our De Morgan's second theorem is verified and it is correct. The theorem statement is like this: the complement of product is equal to the sum of the complements. Okay, thank you.